Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. This module emphasizes the importance of community involvement and networking to fund and implement sustainable solutions, highlighting collective action as essential for meaningful change. It introduces approaches like human-centered design, which involves affected communities in the solution process, and the Sustainable Development Solutions Network, SDSN, which fosters collaboration and knowledge exchange among stakeholders. Participants will explore ways local governments can leverage community engagement to prioritize sustainable development goals, focusing on community-driven and locally relevant actions. Through theoretical content, participants will gain insight into sustainable community principles, covering environmental sustainability, resilience, inclusivity, and competitiveness to create thriving and balanced communities. Key challenges in building sustainable communities, such as affordable housing, sustainable transport system, and disaster reduction, are examined. The module also addresses the need for inclusive urbanization, protection of cultural heritage, access to green spaces, and resource efficiency, ensuring that communities develop holistically for long-term sustainability. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.